Do you want to make money while you're sleeping? Well, I'm going to give you some tips to do just that. As an entrepreneur or self-creator, getting passive income is the ultimate ideal goal. Even getting there requires a lot of work. Investing the time and energy today will pay off in the long run with independence, flexibility, and money. Just as with any side business, the first step of earning passive money is to develop a website and put yourself online. Once that's done, you may experiment with new tactics to keep the money coming in, such as adding affiliate content to your website or launching an online dropshipping business. So what is passive income? You can make money passively by working little or with no continuing labor or work. You won't need to take care of a passive income stream every day once you've identified an established one. But that doesn't mean you won't need to work on it occasionally. The majority of passive income strategies demand an initial outlay of time, money, or other resources. They also need some oversight or routine upkeep to stay on track, but they won't demand that you put in tens of hours a week or engage in small talk at the water cooler. Number 1. Invest in stock market. The most well-known kind of passive income is certainly revenue from stock market investments. Although occasionally risky and difficult, it's a powerful technique to amass enduring riches with little effort. Remember that stocks in the stock market are always fluctuating, so using this passive income strategy is a way to make money over the long haul. You shouldn't approach this with the intention of suddenly becoming wealthy. Instead, you should aim to gradually increase your investments over the course of your lifetime. Number 2. Become an affiliate marketer. By sharing or posting links to products, affiliate marketers can then gain money whenever a user clicks and buys. Anyone may get started by signing up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, or Share a Sale. How much money can you realistically expect to make? Well, just a thing you have to know. 81% of affiliate marketers earn more than $20,000 a year. Yet some people rely on affiliate marketing for their livelihood. One of the greatest examples is Adrian Brambilla's primary source of revenue, which is affiliate marketing. By posting affiliate links on his blog, social media profiles, and newsletter in 2020, he was able to generate $750,000 from affiliate marketing alone. Can you believe that? Of course, more individuals will make purchases from your links if you have more followers, shares, and views on your website and social media sites. With that in mind, you'll need to start by using these platforms to create your authority in a certain specialty. Once you've proven your knowledge, recommend products and provide an affiliate link to entice customers to make a purchase. Even though gaining subscribers and followers takes time and effort, once you have a loyal following, you can start monetizing your links for passive money. Number 3. Rent out space. Whether it's a spare bedroom, your driveway, or a backyard shed, you can rent out a section of your own house even if you don't have the money to invest in rental properties. For those with extra space, this is a low-effort, home-based business idea that works well. There are several online channels available to connect you with clients, whereas Neighbor allows you to rent out your driveway, garage, basement, or shed. Spacer only allows you to rent out your parking space. You don't need to do any promotion if you rent space through these platforms, which is a plus. Number 4. Buy rental properties. One of the best methods to generate passive income is to own and rent out real estate. In fact, for some people, their rental income is their sole source of income. Consider 32-year-old Michael Albom, who earns $431,000 from his 61 rental homes each year. His approach is to only purchase properties that a management company can maintain without his involvement, and he only purchases houses in areas where rent is higher than monthly mortgage payments. He only purchases real estate when it's obvious that it'll be relatively simple to outsource the management through a management firm in order to ensure he doesn't have to work hard. Number 5. Start a dropshipping business. A sort of retail business called dropshipping involves the merchant acting as a go-between for a supplier and a customer. For instance, Wayfair lacks a physical store or warehouse. Instead, it collaborates with vendors who produce and deliver the goods to clients directly. When a customer places an order on Wayfair, the supplier receives the order and takes care of order fulfillment. This allows Wayfair to offer a large assortment of products without having to invest in inventory or maintain a supply chain. Dropshipping has extremely low financial risk, in contrast to the traditional upfront expenditure needed to launch a firm. You don't need to invest in a physical facility, and you just pay your provider when a customer makes a purchase. After deducting product and supplier costs, the average dropshipper makes a profit of 20 to 30% of the final sale price. Number 6. Sell digital products. Another business you could start with less money is a digital product store, because you don't need to pay for the costs of actual items, storage, or delivery. Offering digital goods is a terrific way to generate passive revenue, because you just need to develop them once and they'll always be available. Think downloadable manuals, ebooks, templates, printables, and digital packages. UX designers, for instance, can generate and sell wireframes, flowcharts, and personas for professionals to download and utilize. Number 7. Become a social media influencer. Another form of passive income is social media. People can generate money on websites like Instagram and YouTube solely by growing their followings and establishing themselves as influencers. This involves some initial work, like the majority of other passive income generation techniques. After you have an established set of followers, you can keep the cash pouring rather consistently. Influencers can make money in the following ways: advertising, premium memberships, featured content, brand alliances, affiliate marketing, and dropshipping. Number 8. Try a print-on-demand store. Another online company you may start from home with no capital outlay is print on demand. Simply create a design, apply it to an item like a t-shirt or mug, and start selling. Take a look at Etsy or other similar creative internet markets if you don't already have design expertise. You'll gain an understanding of the kind of goods and styles that are in vogue and successful from this. Once you've come up with a design concept, collaborate with a print-on-demand business to handle your inventory and sell through your e-commerce website. Check out other websites that sell handcrafted goods for inspiration while you build your own website. Number 9. Sell stock photos. If you're good at taking pictures, you can sell them as stock images with a royalty-free license. Because you can license a photo repeatedly for a charge rather than just selling it once, this is a good source of passive income. You'll also find that there's really little actual work when you join a stock photo business. These are companies that sell enormous libraries of photographs and cut a fee off the sale price. You won't have to spend time or effort promoting your images, building your brand, or opening a store as a result. The contributor programs for Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images are a few of the most well-known locations to sell photographs. Number 10. Become a house or pet sitter. If you enjoy caring for dogs and cats, you can make some additional money by doing so. While some of this will involve active duties like feeding or walking the dog, the majority of it, like watching TV while petting the cat or simply being there when the dog needs you, is passive. Use websites like Rover or Fetch to get in touch with pet owners who require your assistance. Not a fan of animals? Consider exploring positions as home sitters. Typically, maintenance involves watering the plants, taking out the garbage, or just keeping everything safe and secure. For house-sitting employment, consider Mind My House and HouseSitter.com. You can also promote your own services on Facebook or Nextdoor, or build a website with an integrated appointment scheduler to avoid commissions and fees. Pet sitting and house sitting are side jobs you can conduct concurrently if you already work from home to supplement your income. Number 11. Create and monetize a blog. Establishing a blog needs time and work initially, but it can expand to become a lucrative stream of passive income. Many people either work as bloggers full-time or use the extra money to support their careers. For instance, a prominent freelance writer, Elna Kane, offers coaching materials to prospective authors through her site. Love and Lemon's blog owner Janine D'Onofrio is a full-time food blogger and recipe developer who utilizes her blog to establish her personal brand, disseminate her recipes, and market her products. You might be asking, how can you start something similar? There are a couple of ways to earn passive revenue using your blog. First, use your blog to market your own goods and establish a likable brand. Second, connect to affiliate products within your blog entries and earn a percentage on every sale. Third, provide premium resources such as templates, manuals, and courses that can be purchased. Fourth, join forces with a brand to produce sponsored content. And lastly, run advertising on your blog with Google AdSense. Number 12, sell online courses. Do you enjoy teaching others, or do you have a particular expertise to impart? If you have a solid clientele, selling online courses is another source of passive revenue. You can sell your online courses through your website or educational marketplaces like Udemy or Masterclass. Number 13, try to own a vending machine. Vending machine ownership and management can generate a largely passive income stream. To get started, you'll need to choose a place and invest at least a few $1,000s. From then, maintenance only requires you to spend a little amount of time each week stocking and maintaining your equipment. Though if you're prepared to forgo any financial gain, you can outsource these jobs. Yet whenever you purchase real estate as an investment, keep in mind that you'll need to set aside room for storage as well as assume the risk associated with transporting perishable goods. I hope you received value from this video. If so, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Please share this video with your like-minded friends. Till next time.